Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get drawing skills. Start by mastering fundamental shapes such as circles, squares, and triangles. These are the building blocks for almost everything you will draw. Practice drawing straight lines and smooth curves repeatedly to develop muscle memory and control. Understanding basic perspective, like one-point perspective, will help you create the illusion of depth. Finally, explore how light and shadow define form, making your drawings appear three-dimensional and realistic. Developing drawing skills heavily relies on keen observation. Take time to truly see the objects and scenes around you, noticing their unique characteristics and how light interacts with them. Regular practice is crucial. Aim for at least 15 to 30 minutes of drawing every single day. Sketching from life or photographs will significantly enhance your ability to capture accurate proportions and details. Don't be afraid to experiment with various mediums, from graphite pencils to charcoal, to discover what you enjoy most. To draw figures convincingly, mastering anatomy and proportion is essential. Understand the skeletal and muscular structures of humans and animals, as this knowledge informs how they move and appear. Learning standard proportions, such as the head being 1/8 of the body's height, helps create balanced figures. Utilize construction lines and simple shapes to block out your drawings before adding details. Practicing quick gesture drawings, often lasting only 30 seconds to 2 minutes, will improve your ability to capture dynamic poses. Refining your drawing skills is an ongoing journey that requires persistence. Actively seek constructive feedback from peers or mentors. Their insights can highlight areas you might overlook. Embrace mistakes as valuable learning experiences, understanding that they are a natural part of artistic development. Study the techniques and styles of artists you admire to broaden your own creative horizons. Most importantly, maintain a consistent drawing habit, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day, and never stop exploring new ways to express yourself.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.